What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your tail lights on a Chevy Equinox, probably about the same for about 2019 to 2022. First thing you'll want to do is take like a flathead screwdriver and kind of, once you pop your tailgate pretty much, pop these little black things out like that. You'll have one at the top, one at the bottom. Just kind of take a flathead, kind of pop them out just like that. Then after you've done that, all you need is a Torx 15 bit. You want to come right here. You'll have two screws. You take out one at the top, then you'll have one at the bottom down here that you want to take out, right down there at the bottom. So you take out those two right there just like that. You'll have two, like I said, a T15 you take out. Then what you want to do is kind of just come around like this. You want to take your hand, one on the outside here, one on the inside, just kind of pull it back on it like that. Once you do that, you'll have your whole brake light assembly out of it. Then to change out your bulbs, all you have to do is just turn like this, and you'll get this one now. You just pull that out and put your new bulb in, come back into here, just like that, turn it back down. Same thing right here, you would just turn this bulb like that, take it out, you gotta change this out, put the new bulb in, turn it back in. Once you get it in, you wanna just turn it till it locks in like that. Now if you got to change out this whole brake light assembly right here, all you'll be doing is just taking both of these out right here. You could replace this whole brake light assembly. Then when you put it back in, you'll have a couple spots. You'll have this piece right here. You'll be sticking up into this hole that goes right here. There's a hole right here. Then you'll have this little piece right here, if you can see, like a little slide piece, and it'll go right across this thing right here. It'll go right behind there. You just kind of want to line it back up, line everything back up, make sure you can see what's going on. It's pretty simple. Piece right here also, if you look down right here, you'll see this right here. This right here is going to that hole right there. So you kind of want to just line all that back up, and once you do that, slide it back on there like that. Put your two T15 bits back inside of it, and you're pretty much good to go. Also make sure that when you're changing out your lights that you use some gloves, because you don't want to touch your new light bulbs, because it could cause them to burn out quick. Alright folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your back tail lights on a Chevy Equinox, probably from about the 2019 up until about the 2022. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.